Hey everyone, here to do another video review. This time it's something very simple, my new cup. So I got this a couple weeks ago now. I've been using it as my regular cup after my old one broke. And it seems pretty simple. It's a very nice simple metal stainless steel cup, if you can see inside, with a plastic lid. The grip, the outside feel is very nice. It's got this spiral effect on there that provides a good hand grip. Haven't had any trouble with it. It fits nicely in my car cup holder, so that's really nice. The only thing I'll definitely say it doesn't do well is seal. Let me turn the camera around here and I'll show you. I just closed the lid, and if I turn it up, you can see water just pours right out. So, not much good on that, but honestly, I don't seal my cups that often, so works great for water. I could put just about anything else in there without any problem because it's metal, it's not going to hold on to the flavor. So I could use it as a coffee cup if I want. I could put even soda or juice or whatever in there, but for the most part, it's probably just going to be my water cup, and I've been quite enjoying it. The link's going to be in the video description down below, and I hope you enjoyed my nice, quick, simple review of this cup.